You can feel it in the air right now. The energy is shifting. Markets are heating up, retail investors are waking up, and the kind of capital flow we haven't seen since the height of the last cycle is starting to move again. But here's the thing most people are overlooking. This isn't just a basic bull market setup. This is the perfect storm. Search data is exploding. The XRP Ledger just rolled out a game-changing upgrade that transforms what's possible on-chain, and there's a deep connection forming between new stablecoin payment rails, a raid, and Morgan Stanley that no one seems to be talking about. If you think you've heard every bullish narrative already, think again, because what's about to unfold is only the beginning. Welcome back to Crypto Labs News, your go-to source for market-moving crypto updates, and the biggest stories shaping this space. If you're new here, take a quick second, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And for those of you who have been supporting us, you're the reason we're growing faster than ever. Our recent videos have been pulling more views than we even have subscribers, and that's all thanks to the value you're finding here. Now, let's jump into today's numbers. Bitcoin is trading at 124,73, up 1.63%. Ethereum is at 4,695, pumping nearly 10%. It's officially ETH season, you can smell it. XRP is pushing for a breakout, with key levels to reclaim at 0.333 before targeting 0.362 and beyond. Total crypto market cap sitting at 4.1 trillion, and from the looks of it, there's still plenty of room to run. Here's how the rotation is setting up. Right now, ETH is surging, and coins paired with ETH will follow. After that, XRP will make its move, before the momentum cycles back into Bitcoin for another leg up. This rotation pattern isn't new, it's been part of every bull cycle we've seen. And the early signals are already flashing. Google Trends is lighting up. Terms like, what is an altcoin, best altcoins to buy, and crypto to invest in now, are spiking. This tells us retail interest is coming back in a big way. Historically, the sequence goes like this. Bitcoin rallies first, grabs the spotlight, and drives up dominance. Then ETH wakes up. ETH, BTC pairs run. ETH-based projects and loan ecosystems explode, followed by a full-blown altcoin season. Eventually, Bitcoin steals the stage again for one final blow-off top, which, based on the data, could hit in Q4 this year. So where does XRP fit into all this? Well, developers just activated batch transactions on the XRP Ledger, and it's a big deal. Until now, multi-step transactions, swaps, mints, payments, all had to be done separately. If something failed mid-process, you'd be left with a mess. This upgrade changes that now multiple actions can be bundled together and executed all at once, or not at all. That means atomic swaps, conditional minting, and multi-party settlements are now possible without the risk of half-completed transactions. RippleX stress-tested this feature with 250 zero accounts firing off transactions in a simulated mainnet environment. Even under heavy load, latency stayed under 5 seconds, and CPU memory usage stayed stable. The XRPL was already one of the fastest ledgers in the game, but now it's both fast and highly flexible, ready to compete with full smart contract platforms while maintaining its efficiency and reliability. This also makes life easier for users. If you wanted to sign 10 NFT transactions before, you had to do them one by one. Now it's one signature for all. If you need to send payments to multiple parties, you can batch them and send them in a single go. It's a huge efficiency upgrade. But while the on-chain improvements are exciting, something even bigger is forming off-chain. A company called Mesh just announced support for RLUSD, a regulated stablecoin. Sounds like just another integration, right? Not exactly. Mesh builds the infrastructure that allows fintechs, brokers, and exchanges to connect directly with banks, brokerages, and now, stablecoins. One of Mesh's biggest integrations is Erade, and Erade is owned by Morgan Stanley. This means the same system retail traders use to buy stocks and ETFs could soon be the rails that move tokenized dollars like RLUSD directly into crypto markets and possibly into assets like XRP without the slow, outdated banking process. Think about it. Morgan Stanley brokerage clients could soon have a compliant, direct pathway to move money into tokenized USD and then into digital assets. This is more than just convenience. It's a brand new bridge between Wall Street and Web3 liquidity. So here's the bigger picture. Retail curiosity is spiking. The cycle pattern is lining up right before an alt season ignition. The XRP Ledger just unlocked a foundational feature that will attract serious builders, and now the connections between stablecoins, traditional finance, and crypto are tightening. This isn't random hype. The timing, the technology, and the institutional pathways are all converging. The only question is whether you'll be positioned before retail FOMO collides with institutional execution, because when that happens, you won't have to ask if we're in a bull market. You'll feel it. Make sure you're subscribed, drop a like if you found this valuable, and stay tuned, things are just getting started.